Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 7th, 2021. Lucid Group. Let's talk about this market real quick for Lucid. I want to see whether or not the market's going to continue to go up. Can we see a price target around $70 in the market in Lucid? Because if so, I mean, wouldn't you want to be in position and actually capitalize from it? Well, welcome. This is HFN. We're also known as HuFin News. This is the spot, the location that you're going to get a price prediction regarding where we're looking for the market to go, so that when it happens, you guys won't be on the lookout. So, okay, what happened? I missed it. Why am I being reactionary when I need to be proactive in predicting price moves so that you can dominate and win in the market? Well, this is what I do. So make sure you keep it locked in. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. I don't care about fundamental analysis. I don't care about using technical indicators because it does not give us any advantage. Don't let anyone else try to come in and fool you into thinking that you need to have those instruments at your disposal, because it doesn't help you, especially fundamental analysis. That is open so far into interpretation that you cannot quantify it. You cannot put a price on it. So why use it? Oh, I get it. The market wants you to use it. See, sometimes you got to understand that just because the information is available doesn't mean that it's really meant for you. It doesn't mean that it's meant for you in a beneficial way. So why are they trying to push a lot of these technical indicators? Why are these people trying to push utilizing fundamental analysis? Why are these people trying to push you holding stocks for the next 30 years, 5 years? Because it benefits them. You guys got to understand that this is a very competitive market. No one is going to come into the stock market with your best interest in mind. They have their own interests in mind. So when you look at the markets, when you look at price charts, you need to understand that everyone is trying to beat everyone else. No one is on your team. You guys need to realize that. And if you guys want to join this particular team, you guys will begin to see that we are dominating and beating everyone else. Check this out. We did a price prediction in Lucid. Take a look. Yeah, November the 6th. We was telling you all then to expect the price in Lucid to continue to go up. And look at it. It did right here. Now, did price break this restriction line that I got up here? $50.75. It sure did. But we still got that 20% out the market, right? We wasn't greedy. This is the thing about being ahead of the game, being ahead of everyone else, is that you're already in position. We were just sitting back waiting for the price to go up there so we can grab the bag and move on to the next play. We're not greedy. Yeah, we'll take that 20% market move. Could you have gotten what, a little bit more when price was trading around 56? Yeah. An extra what, 13%? 33.84%. Cool, that's fine too. But we was pretty much in that vicinity to where the sellers were at, right? We pinpointed where the sellers were located. This is how you're able to make sure that you keep them bags, that you keep the profit, and you don't keep it complicated. So now let me get rid of it, because there's some things I wanted to show you all considering what happened into the market in Lucid, right? Yeah, we saw the market pretty much drop substantially starting out in trading. Now, let's not get it twisted. The uptrend is still intact into the market in Lucid. Price is still in a upward mode. So generally, when you look at this from the long term, can we still see price go up in Lucid? Yeah, we can. As long as price trades above that ascending line, we're still golden from that perspective. Now, if we ever break that ascending line, then yeah, all is lost. Don't expect price to go up. Don't do it. Because the market is already dropping hints to us as to its non-bullishness. It's not bullish then. Okay. So you guys can see that price came and bounced off of, $37.50. So we can kind of initially see where the buyers stepped in the market in Lucid. They came in right here. Okay, right there. So back there on February the 16th, 2021, that is even the place to where the market in Lucid opened up. Yeah, we opened up right there in Lucid. So not only are we expecting price to keep in line with this ascending line, we can also suspect that the buyers will step in and prop up price around $38. I would even take 35 as another area as support for Lucid. So as long as those areas stay intact, as long as price doesn't break those levels to the downside, yeah, the anticipation of seeing Lucid go up is still intact. We can still see the market go up. Now, $70 though. Let's see. How far are we away in the market in Lucid from hitting $70 from the close of yesterday? So we're around 56% away. Now that's very doable for us to see price go up 56%. Now, is it going to happen tomorrow? I'm not really thinking that's going to happen. Slim to none chance that it's going to move up 56% in a day. But can it happen in a month, 2 months, 3 months? Yeah, we can still see the monumental strength occur in Lucid. That is definitely something that's on the table, especially when you look at this from a different time frame. So let's look at this. First things first, I'm going to move this restriction line up here in the market in Lucid. Okay. Let's look at this on a 2 weeks time frame. Okay. Now, everything's going to be hinging on us holding support. That's why I wanted to pinpoint $38 and $35 into the market in Lucid. The market is trying to figure itself out. Okay, I'm going to give you this now. The last 3 2-week price bar, which is inclusive of this current one, which is just starting, it is going to be very important for us to create support in order for us to move up 56%. Right? We cannot see price break below $38, $35 anymore. We cannot see that because we would not see price hit $70 in Lucid. Look at this on the 3-day. Okay. So look at this. From a 3-day perspective, we're still seeing a probability of strength. This is what this is right there. So on this upcoming 3-day price bar, we will need to see price close higher above this last completed one, because if so, then the market strength is still going to go up in Lucid. Yeah. This is the 2-day. We're still seeing the same thing, a probable precursor of strength. So, am I looking for the market to really break out above 57.50? No, I'm not. I don't think the market is primed and ready for a breakout just yet. They're trying to get the sellers out the way. And once the sellers get out the way, then yeah, price will break above 57.50 and then the next trek will be around 70. It might be a little bit lower than $70, right? Okay. So look at this. This is on a 5-week perspective. You can see it. It's mixed. No one's actually dominating the market from a 5-week perspective in Lucid. Monthly time frame. So what I'm going to do with a price target of $70, I'm not going to say that is really in fruition just yet. Like I said, we got to get the sellers out the way for us to really pinpoint having a price target of $70, right? Now check this out. I'm still going to play the strength though. Okay, I'm still looking for market price in Lucid to go up, right? I am. Now, I got this area here though that we need to pay attention to. Okay, we got $47.50. I can see sellers there. That's about 6.38%, okay, from where the price closed yesterday. Now, based off the volatility that occurred the last 2 days in Lucid, we really need to be careful on how high price is going to go because the sellers are still there. So 47.50 would have to be a point to where we would have to relinquish our position and take the bag and the profit. 6.38%. My second area will be around 50. It's about 11.5. Okay, 11.5%. Now, outside of $50, we will definitely make a decision as to whether or not the market's going to be bullish or weak. And if we're showing weakness at $50, then drop the price target of 70 for right now. I won't be expecting the market in Lucid to try to even hit $60 if we cannot break price above 50. So as we approach that $50 price level, keep that in mind, keep that in your head, that market bullishness needs to occur there. Because if it doesn't, we're going to come all the way back down and test this ascending line again. All right. So that is it. This is the current play I'm seeing into the market in Lucid right now. I'm going to play the strength, not monumentally. I'm not really looking at a very strong bullish market right now in Lucid, but there's still some buying going on. There's still some people who thinks that Lucid is relatively cheap, so they're trying to come in and buy the market, and the trap is going to push up the price. And this is the ultimate area, 52.50. Okay, that's the third spot. So let me give you the price levels again. The first spot is 47.50. Okay. Now, considering what happened yesterday into the market, it doesn't look like that's going to be a problem for the market to go out and hit. Second area is around 50. Third area is around 52.70, right there. All right, so now check this out. Can we see Lucid hit $70? Yes, we can. Based off what price has done the last couple of days, based off of this market trading above that ascending line, yes. When? Who knows, right? Who knows? But the market is still on track to hit $70. But I'm not doing that on this forecast package on this video. But I'm still playing the strength too. So we can still eat either way. $47.50, $50, and then $52.70 are those levels that I'm looking for the market to go in Lucid. And as we track up higher and higher to those price levels and we still see the strength, then we'll come back in and update you all and continue to play the strength in the market. There's always opportunities, right? So that's it. Drop me your price prediction into the market in Lucid real quick. Let me know where y'all think the market is going to go. Do you see a $70 price target, or are you seeing something totally different? Are you seeing a lower price target in the long term? Now, when I say long term, I'm not saying 5, 10, 15 years. When I say long term, I'm talking about in the next 3 to 6 months, right? Do you think Lucid can hit $70? Drop the comment. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.